So last evening we walked through Kargil, a little outside Kargil, because we didn't want to stay in those proper city traffic, and those rooms would be very tiny and small. And today the target is to get to Srinagar. Pretty chill room, as you can see. Pretty new hotel. And we have begun our day. We stayed about 5 kilometers out of Kargil just to avoid the chaos, and just the rooms in Kargil are usually very small, very cramped up. The room we stayed in right now was decent, and it was just us, so we got great service. It was called Highway Inn. They've broken down highway into a Highway Inn cafe and something. But good stay, good people, good food. This is the proper town of Kargil. That there is another Sangam. One's coming from the left and the right one. I think one of them is the Zanskar, and I don't know which one this is. Well, we're now in Dras, one of the coldest inhabited places. I'm sure everyone knows that information already. So crossed Kargil. I wasn't recording a lot today because, well, Kargil is a lot of military area and we shouldn't be recording that area anyways. So yes, this gate basically says entering J&K. Just like Atal Tunnel, they're making a tunnel to bypass Zojila too. यार सब कुछ ही bypass हो जाएगा ऐसे तो देखेंगे क्या बाद में. Last few glimpses of like snow-capped mountains and glaciers, and this glacier water. Khad has made my visor loose. That there is 0 point that is 0 point ka glacier. Wow, oh my god, wow, someone is taking their car Scorpio up there. क्या बात है. Stupidity की कोई सीमा नहीं होती, ये प्रूफ कर रहे हैं. Road used to be so difficult. I remember it took us hours in 2009 at Zojila. And now look at this. Shit, this is already Zojila top, man. So easy this was. This is, I think, if I'm not wrong, considered as Zojila top. Thank you, sir. This is okay, that is a nice view. Scale of that is massive, and it goes in like that. कितना बड़ा है देख. नहीं नहीं, सोनमर्ग नहीं, ये तो यात्रा का प्रेपरेशन है. हाँ, ये अमरनाथ की यात्रा जाती है यहाँ पे पीछे. आगे जाके लग गया है जाम. As usual, I forgot to record what I ate because one, we were so hungry, and two, I couldn't be bothered to do all of that. We enjoyed our food and now towards Srinagar. Such a beautiful place, and seeing like guns and army and hospitality. The place is so beautiful.
हो गया हो गया।
अच्छा बुक है ना
जी
ऑनलाइन बुक कर लेते, सीजन चल रहा है टूरिस्ट का।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो बुक रहता है तो इसलिए ऑनलाइन बुक कर लेते हैं।
ये आ गया दोस्त और इनको ढूंढने के लिए
रेस्क्यू टीम देख रहे हो कितनी फास्ट है।
वेरी गुड ये बहुत अच्छा। हाँ तो मोबाइल में कांटेक्ट नहीं किया
सर
नेटवर्क नहीं है ना सर यहाँ पे, नेटवर्क नहीं है ना वोडाफोन का।
इधर चल रहा होगा ना।
हाँ वोडाफोन का नेटवर्क नहीं लगता है यहाँ पे।
देखा वो कहाँ से आ गए। ये होता है मतलब एक दूसरे को साथ में लेके चलना।
हाँ
बहुत अच्छा किया आपने। अभी तीनों जो है ना आराम से जाना इधर से बात करते करते।
बिल्कुल सर।
हमारे को अच्छा लगता है जब आप इकट्ठे जाते हो।
We're still roaming and trying to find the hotel. Akash is booked. Right? We have no idea where we are. We are somewhere in downtown Kashmir. We were looking for some parts for Musti's bike.